Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone Note 50. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.74 inches HD plus water drop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 85.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 260 ppi. Pixel density, 560 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UIT edition. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.7 by 76.67 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. The color options: midnight black, sky blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54, dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Note 50 has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 3,599 Philippine peso, and around $65 and expected 17,999 Pakistani rupees, and expected 5,500 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme Note 50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.